So yeah, um, how cloudflare workers work, detailed blog post, yada yada yada. Important part is covered over here. Cloudflare workers don't use Node.js runtime. They have created their own runtime and a lot of things that Node.js itself has, right? How workers work. Though Cloudflare workers behave similarly to JavaScript and browser or in Node.js, there are few differences in how you have to think about the code. Under the hood, worker runtime uses V8 engine. Okay. Same engine used by Chromium and Node.js. Right. The worker's runtime also implements many of the standard APIs uh, available in most modern browsers. Okay. Nothing interesting. Difference between JavaScript written for browsers or Node.js happens at the runtime rather than running individual machine. For example, browser's application on centralized server. Worker functions run on Cloudflare Edge network, a global, a growing global network of thousands of machines distributed over hundreds of locations. Each of these machines hosts an instance of worker runtime, and each of those runtime is capable of running thousands of user-defined applications. This guide will review some of those differences. Yada yada yada. Isolate versus containers. Isolate. V8 orchestrates isolates. Lightweight context that provides your code with variables it can access and safe runtime with to be executed with. Like something like threads, okay? You have you could even consider and isolate a sandbox for your function to run it. Okay. Yeah, just like threads. A single runtime can run hundreds and thousands of isolates. Okay. Switching between them, uh, seamlessly switching between them. Each isolate's memory is completely isolated. Yeah, no, not like truthful. So each piece of code is protected from other untrusted or user-written codes on the runtime. Isolated code is also designed to start very quickly. Instead of creating virtual machines for each function, an isolate is created with existing environment. This model eliminates the cold start for the virtual machine model. Unlike serverless provides and containerized process, each running an instance of language runtime. Worker pays an overhead of JavaScript runtime once on the start of container. Worker processes are able to run essentially limitless scripts with almost no individual overhead by creating an isolate for each worker function. Any given isolate can start around 100 times faster than node process on container or virtual machines. Notably, on startup, isolates consumes an order of magnitude less memory. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay.